Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. My name is Sabah Zaid and I am a tech instructor and a self-taught artist, and I am very passionate about painting, and I would love to share my painting tips and tricks with you all today. So today we are going to paint a beautiful night sky using acrylics. Okay, so before we start painting, in this tutorial we are going to use 5 by 7 inches cotton canvas. You can get this canvas from any local store. So before we start, I'm going to give you one tip. Like, before you start with the painting, what we are going to do is we are going to apply a wash on our canvas as a base. So why we are doing this? Because it will help us to paint on canvas very easily and seamlessly. Now I'll tell you how to create this wash. Take some acrylic. First take any color of paint which you would like to take, and then what you need to do is you need to take this acrylic glossy medium, and I'll put this in this, and then you have to take a little bit of water, give it a good mix, and you need to apply this wash on the canvas as a base. So I'm applying it, and you need to wait until it gets completely dry. So let me clean my brush with a cloth. Now let's talk about colors. So for this painting we are going to use phthalo blue, medium yellow for the lights, titanium white. So titanium white, phthalo blue and black is for the base we are going to use, and green for the tree. Okay, now let's talk about brushes. We are going to use filbert brush number 10. Okay, then we are going to use round brush number 3 and round brush number 0. Further I will specify in case if I am using any different brush while painting. So now I am taking this phthalo blue, black and titanium white, because these three colors we are going to use as a base. Let me grab my palette knife. So we will mix little bit of white and black with phthalo blue, and you can call this color as night sky blue. So you can mix it until you get that desired color. So now my wash is completely dry, we can start painting on it. First I'm going to grab black color for the base, and then below that I'm going to layer with the night sky blue, and I'm going to mix both these colors very well. I'm going to blend it very well. And then at the bottom I'm going to add the lightest shade of the same color. Now what you need to do is you just need to keep on adding white in the same color and keep layering and blending those layers very well until and unless you don't get that perfect gradient effect. So follow me the way I am doing it. So see, now we got a perfect base. Now we will paint a tree at the bottom right with the black color. Now what you do is paint a triangle like a shape area as a base. Now I'm going to take brush number 0 and at the edge I'm going to make some leaves. Now mix green and yellow color and make some leaves on that black base. Then after that, one more layering of leaves we are going to add, that is a mixture of white and yellow. Now we are done with the tree. Now we are going to make power cables with the help of the scale. We are going to use black color for this. So I'm just making 2 power cables. And then we are going to make a street light. And here make sure that street light head is facing towards the right side where we made a tree. Okay, so guys, just don't be in hurry while painting these street light wire cables. You can pause this video anytime and work on these things patiently. Then mix your orange and yellow color to give that light effect on the stand and wires. Now take a dry brush and grab the mixture of yellow and orange and slightly give the rays of the light the way I am doing it. Now grab brush number 0 and we will make a beautiful moon at the left. Once we make moon, let it dry. To give the light effect of the moon, we use a technique called dry brushing technique. So what you need to do is take a clean dry brush and grab a white color in it. First dab it on a clean surface to remove excessive color, and then move your brush in the circular motion around the moon with a soft hand. So do share your feedback in the comment section, and also let me know if you like the process and the video. And if you have painted along with me, do tag me on Instagram. You can find my Instagram ID on the bottom left of the screen. I hope you all have enjoyed with me. See you in the next video, and please do subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.